Hey there, it's Bill here with the Your Niagara Home team. Welcome to our latest listing here at 411 Reed Road in Niagara-on-the-Lake. This stunning home has so much to offer. It was built in 2011 with over 2,400 square feet. Here we are in this beautiful backyard. We're sitting over just an acre. This property is amazing. Check out the views, enjoy the tour, and let's make this your Niagara home. For more information on this great property, give me a call at 905-341-4400 and let's make this your Niagara home.